This is how I generate text-to-speech using CapCut.
Hey there! Do you want to know how I made this video using AI text-to-speech feature in CapCut? I am here with a quick tutorial. Beginners may face problem in finding the required feature, but no worries, you are on the right video. I will guide you through essential steps. I personally prefer CapCut as compared to other video editing apps because it offers variety of features totally free. Okay, so now open the CapCut app and import the video. Click on Add and now the video is imported. So let's add this man on the left side. Now it is done. The next step is to add template. You need to tap on the text button here. Now you see the option text template. Click on it. Now you see there are so many templates with different categories. There is social media, title, vlogs and much more. So now we are choosing the simple one, the first one here. Once the template is selected, double tap on the text so you can edit it. I am just typing here, this is how I generate. Okay, so first line is done. Click on OK and now double tap on the second line so you can edit the next one too. In the next line, I am just typing text to speech using CapCut. Okay, so now the first step is done. CapCut's AI text to speech feature amplifies content impact with seamless voice narration. Okay, so now here you see the option text to speech. Tap on it and now there you find a lot of voices in male and female variant.
This is how I generate text-to-speech using CapCut.
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 Now this looks good, so click on OK. And now go back and you see the audio is generated here. Let's play the video and see how it comes out.
This is how I generate text-to-speech using CapCut.
Now you see at the end there is watermark of CapCut, so you can simply delete that clip. CapCut's AI text-to-speech feature transforms your videos into engaging storytelling experiences, leaving your audience captivative and hungry for more. Don't miss out on the game-changing AI text-to-speech feature in CapCut. Try it today and captivate your audience like never before. Your content, your voice, effortlessly. And this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any confusion or question, comment down below. I will respond to each and every question. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!